Hi everyone, welcome to Series LED. Today I would like to introduce to you guys our FT series LED bulbs. These are mainly used for backup and reverse lights or any other positions you will prefer. These bulbs come in white color and in various sizes. The sizes are 7443, 1156, 921, 7440, 3157, 1157. Now let's compare the sizes of the bulbs. As you can see, the bulbs are very similar in sizes, but you could tell the LED bulb is slightly bigger than the original bulb. Please make sure the sizes before you make the purchase. Now we're going to show you guys how to install the 7440 bulb on a 2019 Honda Odyssey backup light. Here we have the 2019 Honda Odyssey. For the backup lights, it uses the size 7440. To access the bulb, first we need to open the tailgate. Then we locate the plastic covers on both sides of the car. Now let's get a flathead screwdriver, gently pop out the cover. Now you can see the bulb is just right there. Now you can twist the bulb and take out the bulb and install it with our LED light. After that, we could put everything back in place. You can do the same thing on the other side of the car. Now let's look at the result. If you have backup camera, now you can see everything.
Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Series LED. Today we're going to introduce to you our Amazon's best-selling auto interior LED light bulbs. The bulb size commonly known is T10, but other sizes that they go by are 168, 2825, and 194. These lights come in a pack of 10, they're pure white in color, and they are 2 times brighter than your stock halogen light bulbs. These light bulbs are not canvas, so if you have a European car, you will need to use LED lights that have built-in canvas resistors. These lights can fit many positions in a vehicle, so you will need to double check your vehicle's user manual to verify the correct size that you need for each position, as well as how many bulbs that you need. If we compare these bulbs to a stock halogen bulb, you can see here that they are just a little bit bigger than a stock halogen bulb, but you shouldn't have any issues installing them. Next up, we're going to show you how to install these lights in the 2019 Honda Odyssey. In the 2019 Honda Odyssey, these T10 bulbs fit the map light, as well as the interior reading lights and the interior door lights, for a total of 8 bulbs. So if you have a 2019 Odyssey, you will have 2 extra bulbs, but just keep that as spare light bulbs. Here you can see the stock halogen bulb. They're pretty yellowish in color. And now we're going to go ahead and insert the LED light bulb. So what you need to do is take a flathead screwdriver, locate the 2 notches behind the plastic covering, stick the flathead screwdriver in, push down, and do the same thing on the other side. Once you remove the cover, be careful when taking out the bulb, as the bulb may be pretty hot, so you may want to use a glove or grab a towel or something to remove the bulb. Go ahead and pull straight down and insert the LED bulb. We want to make sure the LED chips are facing downward. Next up, we're gonna put the casing back on. Simply just push in on one side first, and then push in on the second side. All right, here you can see the LED bulb is a lot whiter in color. Here's what the Honda Odyssey looks like after we replaced all the interior lights. These lights are pure white in color, but if you see any blue reflections, that's actually coming from the plastic covering and not the lights themselves. Thank you so much for tuning in today, everyone.